Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem an Xbox gift card using Microsoft Rewards. So let's jump right in. To get started, open any web browser on your device and search for the Microsoft Rewards Redeem page. Make sure you open the official Microsoft Rewards or Microsoft Support link that explains how reward points can be redeemed. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Explore the Redeem page and click on it. This will take you to the Microsoft Rewards Redeem section where you'll see a list of available rewards, such as game credits, digital gift cards, and other options like Roblox or League of Legends. Scroll through the list until you find the Xbox gift card option, then select it to open the Reward Details page. Before redeeming, double-check that you have enough Microsoft Rewards points. If everything looks good, click the Redeem button to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully redeemed an Xbox gift card using Microsoft Rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.